What number is 1 more than 10? So another way of saying this, or writing it out, is what is 1 plus 10? So whenever we're saying one number more than another number, we are referring to adding. So let me write add here. Or we can say plus because we use the plus sign for addition. So another way of writing 1 plus 10, and this only works for addition, is 10 plus 1. So you can do 1 plus 10 to solve the problem, or you can do 10 plus 1. What I think is best is to use blocks. So let's look at our blocks. This is a block of 10, so let's go ahead and double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And so now we need to add 1 more than 10. So we're going to say 10 plus 1. So there's our 1. So if we have 10 here plus 1, this is going to be our 11th block. So 10 plus 10 blocks here plus 1 block here is going to give us 11 blocks. So 1 more than 10 equals 11.